How to cancel Remitly transaction in progress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can cancel Remitly transaction in progress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now canceling Remitly transaction in progress is very simple. First of all, you open the Remitly application here and then just make sure that you go ahead and then basically sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, if there is a certain transaction that you have made and that you would like to cancel it, now in my case I have not made any, but if you have, then you'll simply find them on the transactions page over here. So basically over here you'll find any sort of transactions that you have pending, so you can just go ahead and then select that transaction. Now if there is a certain recipient here trying to change it, you'll find them and you can tap the send button as well to be able to send money, but you can just select that transaction from here and then you will be able to cancel it. The reason it's not showing on mine is because I don't have any sort of transactions currently in progress. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.